Hello, lovely people. Today we are making no-bake, gluten-free, dairy-free cheesecake. Start by adding 1 cup of pitted prunes to a food processor. Then add high-quality pure cacao powder. Next, add 2 cups of raw almonds. This is optional. I am adding unflavored plant-based protein. You can also add vanilla extract. At this stage, the mixture is too dry and won't stick together. We need to add more prunes. Next, add nut or seed butter of your choice. I am using tahini, but you can use almond butter or any other. Now, let's melt some coconut oil. Add the melted coconut oil while the processor is working. The base of the cheesecake is ready. You can use all of it or reserve some, and I will show you another way to use it in my next video. Now let's make the cheesecake layer. Start by soaking 2 cups of raw cashews. To soak them, just cover with boiled water for 20 minutes. While we wait for the cashews, let's prepare the rest. I am using almond milk. You can use any. Next, the sweetener. Agave syrup goes well here. Next, vanilla extract. I am also adding more of the protein powder. Again, optional. Time to add the soaked cashews. I am adding some more vanilla extract and the melted coconut oil. Freeze the cheesecake for 3-4 hours.